Do you wish your skin could glow naturally without filters or expensive products? Guess what? It's totally possible. Today, I'm sharing 5 proven all natural tips to get that radiant, healthy glow that everyone will notice. Stick around, your glow up starts right here. Hey there, welcome to Green Health Channel, your ultimate source for natural beauty and wellness tips. Your skin is a reflection of your lifestyle, and with just a few tweaks, you can unlock that beautiful natural glow. Ready to shine? Let's dive right in. Hydrate from the inside out. Hydration is everything you know. Glowing skin starts from within, and staying hydrated helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin plump and dewy. Make it a habit to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Infuse your water with lemon or cucumber for added flavor and skin boosting vitamins. Nourish your skin with the right food. Glowing skin isn't just about what you put on it, it's also about what you put in your body. Focus on food rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins. Omega 3s from foods like salmon and walnuts, vitamin C from berries, and healthy fat from avocado work wonders for your skin. Bonus, they are delicious too. Exfoliate regularly but gently. Tip 3 is a game changer, gentle exfoliation. Dead skin cells can dull your complexion, so removing them is key to revealing fresh, glowing skin. Try natural exfoliators like a mix of sugar and olive oil, or opt for a gentle stubborn scrub. Just don't overdo it. 2 to 3 times a week is perfect. Moisturize for that dewy look. Moisturizing is non-negotiable. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, keeping it hydrated is the secret to that lit from within glow. Look for moisturizers with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or aloe vera for a natural boost. And don't forget to apply right after cleansing to lock in moisture. Protect your skin with SPF. Last but definitely not least, SPF. 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 Sun damage is one of the biggest culprits behind all uneven skin. Protecting your skin is the ultimate glow hack. Choose a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and make it part of your daily routine. Even on cloudy days, your future self will thank you. Beauty sleep. Here's the bonus tip that often gets overlooked: beauty sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. Pair it with a calming nighttime routine and you wake up feeling refreshed, glowing skin every morning. There you have it, 5 natural effective ways you make your skin glow. And one bonus tip to keep you shining. Remember, true radiance comes from taking care of yourself inside and out. So, which of these tips are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Green Health Channel for more glow worthy content. Thanks for watching, and here is to your most radiant skin yet. See you in the next video.